Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to tell you that how you can download the Free Fire on your PC and play it. So let's start. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to install the BlueStack on your PC. So you have to download that from the Google. You will easily get that from the now.gg website. And after downloading that, you have to open that. So I'm going to open the BlueStack. So let's write the BlueStack and now click on this. So as you can see, the BlueStack is open. Now it's loading. We have to wait for a few seconds. So as you can see, finally it's open. So now I'm going to make a screen full. And after that, we have to write here the Free Fire. So let's write the Free Fire here. So I'm going to write the Free Fire. And now we have to press enter. As you can see, you will get a lot of versions of the game and suggestions as well. So for example, I want this one Free Fire or this one, whatever you want. For example, I want this one. So let's click on this. And after clicking on this, as you can see, now the game is open. So what we have to do, we have to click on this button, which is called install on app player. So let's click on this. So as you can see, after clicking on this, it's downloading and the size of game is 470 MB. So it's downloading. You have to wait for a few seconds until it downloads. And after the completion of downloading, you just have to press the install button and the game will be installed and you will be able to play the game. So I hope you guys understand this video that how you can download your Free Fire game on your PC and play it. So see you guys in the next video.